guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is the right place for you. If you are lovers of fashion, if you want to keep in trend, with what is reigning when it comes to Asoebi styles or best styles, then this is the right platform for you to be. If it is something you are interested in, please support me by subscribing to this channel, like, as well as share my videos. Thank you. Check out this gorgeous style. I'm sure you love it. These styles are so amazing. They are so gorgeous. You know, people will stare, make it worth the while. This style is so simple, so cute. I love the choice of fabric. I love that it fits perfectly on this model. And it can fit all body shapes. This one is also lovely, cute. This is the reigning handkerchief skirt. This handkerchief skirt is in vogue, is in trending right now. This is the type of skirt every lady must have in their wardrobe. So let me know in the comment section which of these styles is your favorite. Which of these styles is your favorite? Which of these styles are you likely to sew? Let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.